And let us start working on the problem number 5 based on exponents and powers, right? So the question now, what is minus 3 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to minus 243. Find the value of x. So the question, what, minus 3 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 243, right? 243 minus 243, right? So in the RHS and LHS, negative sign is there, you can cancel it. This will become, right, 3 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 243. Now to find so this is in the exponent form and this is in the normal number. So what you can do, this you need to convert it into this format. So 243 can be converted into, right, because the base should be 3 only, right? That's what I can do now. So let me go with the 3 2s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243, right? Now this will become 3 to the power of x minus 2, which is going to be now 1 2 3 4 5 is there, that is going to be this. I can represent 3 to the power of 5. So therefore x minus 2, as the base is same, x minus 2 is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5 plus 2, which is going to be 7. So option B is the right one.